Alright, dropshipping gang, welcome to our challenge of day 14, where I'm taking an eBay store and scaling it all the way up to making $1,000 to $3,000 in net profit every single month. Now, let's go ahead and have a look at our active listings. We got 3,250. Yesterday we had 2,707. We've gone ahead and kept on listing more. Now, let's go to our orders. We've had quite a few orders that came in, as you guys could see from yesterday. So we had 1, 2, 3 orders, 43.50, 25.40, 16.40. So one from 50% markup, the other two is from 40% markup. Okay, so let's go ahead and have a look at our performance tab. We are doing amazing considering the fact that we are 2,700. So approximately, give or take, each 1,000 listing, again, not considering the exponential sales that you'll be receiving while you're scaling up to 10,000. Okay, just a little side note there. Once you cross 10,000, it's not exponential anymore, because you will have a lot of dead items that you lost, which has been on your store for a while, and that kind of like messes up with the algorithm here and there. But just all you need to know is until 10,000, each 1,000 listings that you list is going to bring around 10 sales a day. Okay, it's not a hardcore over there. The market will fluctuate. Some of the times you'll be getting only 5, sometimes you'll be getting around 10, sometimes you'll exceed that. Okay, it's really depending on the market. But give or take, as we can see, when we zoom out for a very long period of time and we look at the data from multiple accounts, we can usually see that the average is around one order per 1,000 listing. Keep that in mind. Moving on, we had around 20 orders, so minus that 2 that came in today, it's about 18 orders, and our click-through rate is 0.1%, our conversion rate 1.1%. Everything is looking good. We had 1.2 million impressions. That's huge. That has converted into 1,895 listing views. Okay, let's go to our impressions. We had close to 110,000 impressions, and as you guys can see, it's fluctuating a little bit. Don't panic. Market is fluctuating. It's not the account fluctuating. Okay, let's go to views, and as you can see, even though our impressions was a little down, our listing views was skyrocketed, especially the external. So what is happening here? As the traffic on eBay is getting less, eBay is taking our items and advertise it a little bit more externally, right, on Google or like other places. What I can tell you is that we had 419 listing views, give or take. All right, I hope that's cool. That's understandable. I don't want to confuse you guys with algorithm too much. And let's go to our quantity sold. As you can see, we had 3 items that are sold, and 3 of them came from promoted listing. That's why we turn on promoted listing, because promoted listing is very important. That will bring you a lot of the juice. Okay, promoted listing, especially as the years are going past. I can see that each day eBay is putting more emphasis on the promoted listing. And why is this happening? Simply because they're in this game also to make money, just like you and I. So that's it for today's video. I will go ahead and continue to list more. Again, consistency is the main trigger here. Let's keep listing every day. Let's stay consistent. And as you can see, the profit is going to go up every single day. So without further ado, I will see you guys in the next upcoming video, which is tomorrow.